Google last week introduced Gemini 1.5. So this is their next generation model. It is actually a mid-sized multimodal model which is optimized for scaling across a wide range of tasks and performs at a similar level to 1.0 Ultra. So I think this is the Pro model. The Ultra is the bigger size model. So this is an improved version of Gemini 1.0 Pro. It makes use of a new mixture of experts architecture along with transformer architecture. It has a standard 128K token context window. But what they are saying is that a limited group of developers and enterprise customers can try it with a context window of up to 1 million tokens via AI Studio and Vertex AI in private preview. That is really huge, but then I have my doubts on whether it will work the way they claim it to be. They are saying it's already in production. They are going to slowly roll it out, the full 1 million context token window. They are working on optimizations to improve latency, reduce computational requirement, and enhance the user experience. So it will be available in the future. That's what they're showing over here, and they claim that this is one of the largest context length for leading foundational models. So GPT-4 Turbo is 128K, Gemini 1.0 Pro is 32K, right? And you have Claude, which is like 200K. But for Gemini 1.5 Pro, they are saying that it could support up to 1 million token context window. That is huge. What could you do with 1 million context window? You can do a lot of things, right? You can process information in one go, including 1 hour of video, 11 hours of audio, code bases with over 30K lines of code or over 700K words. That's what is this, your 1 million context tokens would support, right? And what else do they say over here? They talk about, the mixture of expert models. What is it, right? So your traditional transformer functions as one large neural network. MOE models are divided into smaller expert neural networks. Basically, the feed forward layer of the transformer architecture is replaced by mixture of experts, and during training certain experts become good for certain tasks, right? So there is a switch which happens for certain tasks among the experts. That is a mixture of experts architecture. Okay, and Google was the pioneer in mixture of experts architecture, so that's what they are talking about over here. Then they have some examples over here of how this can analyze content large and summarize large amount of contents with a given prompt. So they're saying that you can do 400-page transcripts from Apollo 11's mission to the moon. It can reason about conversation, events, and details found across the document. I have a feeling that maybe they are using some kind of rack to scale it to this kind of a context, 1 million tokens. I'm not sure about it, but I have a feeling that maybe they are using some kind of RAG, okay, RAG like technique or retrieval augmented generation technique. I'm not sure about it, but okay. So these demo videos are impressive, but yeah, considering the history of Google releases, unless I get to try out this model, I cannot really vouch for the performance, right? But yeah, as usual, they claim that these demo videos are very very impressive. But then unless you try it out, you can't really vouch for that, right? So I wanted to see if I can try it out. So I'm currently on a wait list, right? There is a link over here. So you can sign up for Gemini 1.5 Pro in the AI Studio. So that's what I clicked, and currently I am on a wait list. For now, I don't think it is available to me. I can just access Gemini 1.0 Pro and Gemini 1.0 Pro Vision. Let me see if by chance I have got access to it. Okay. No, not yet. So once I get access to this, I would try it out with my use cases and see how it performs when say compared to GPT-4 Vision or something. But currently, with respect to performance, this is doing equivalent to a GPT-4 or much better than GPT-4 as per some benchmarks over here. Right? Yeah, GPT-5 basically is on the way. So maybe Google has caught up to OpenAI. Unless you try it out, I cannot, confirm how it performs when compared to GPT-4. There are others who have compared, Gemini with 1.5 with GPT-4, and some say that it's doing better than GPT-4. Yeah, but that is something which we need to test basically, right? What they're saying is that in this needle in haystack, basically evaluation for long context window or long context, tokens basically. Gemini 1.5 Pro maintains high level of performance as the context window increases. That's what they are saying over here. Okay, and with respect to other benchmarks also, text in comprehensive panel of text, code, image, audio, and video evaluations, 1.5 Pro outperforms 1.0 Pro on 87% of benchmarks. And when compared to 1.0 Ultra on the same benchmarks, it performs at a broadly similar level. So this looks like a much smaller model when compared to Gemini 1.0 Ultra, but it has longer context and it has impressive in-context learning skills. So all this have to be taken with a pinch of salt. Unless you test it out, you never know how it performs. So I'll be waiting for access for Gemini 1.5, and as soon as I get access, I would want to try out this. For the moment, it's just the impressive demos over here. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.